Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon and I'm a 22-year-old senior at the University of New Hampshire. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this look. It's my everyday spring and summer makeup routine. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep watching. So the first thing that I do is make sure that I start off with really clean, moisturized skin, but you want to make sure you moisturize at least like 15 or 20 minutes before, because you want the time for your skin to be able to like absorb everything. And the next thing that I do is use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And what I do is just squirt a little bit of this on my finger and then rub it together and just rub it all over my face. I even put a little on my eyelids too. Next, I take this IT Cosmetics CC cream in the shade Medium. And again, I just use my hands for this, so I just squirt a little bit and then rub it together in my hands and start rubbing it on my face. The next product I use is this Kat Von D Tattoo Concealer. And unfortunately this stuff is discontinued, but it's absolutely amazing. And I just put it underneath my eyes and anywhere else where I have little imperfections that I want to cover up. And then I just go in with my ring fingers and dab it to blend it all in. And now that all of that concealer is blended in, I want to set all of this. So I will be using this Ben Nye Fair Translucent Powder, which actually came in a cream makeup kit that I got from my stage makeup class. I just take this brush and I pour it on my hand and then just dab it on the brush. And then I want to dab it on my face so it doesn't move any of the concealer around. I find that if I like swirl it, sometimes the concealer moves out of place, which defeats the whole purpose. Next, I go in with some blush, and lately I've just been using this Maybelline contour kit, and I don't know why, I just really like blush in here. And I'm using this Jaclyn Hill blush brush from Ulta. And I just put a little bit on my brush, not too much, and put right on the apples of my cheeks. Next, I take this NYX Born to Glow highlighter in the shade Sunbeam. I love this stuff, it works so well. And I just squeeze a little bit out and put it right on my cheekbones. And then again, I blend this out with my fingers. And then I usually take any excess that's on my fingers and just dab a little bit on my nose and a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And then I like to set that with a little bit of powder, and lately I've been using Beam from my Jaclyn Hill palette. It's this shiny one up here. And I find that it works the same as like any other powder highlighter I have. I mean, it's just a light shimmery color. I just put a little bit on my Jaclyn Hill Glow Baby Glow brush and put it right on the places where I put the cream. Put a little much there, but honestly, you can never be too highlighted. My friend Sabrina likes to say she wants to look like a glazed donut. Just dab a little on my nose, and again on my Cupid's bow. Not too much there though. Next, I move on to my brows, which I'm using, again, something from my stage makeup kit. It's just a Ben Nye dark brown eyebrow pencil. I just take a little bit and start on the inside. Make sure to like define that kind of square look I got going on. And then lightly bring it outwards. I don't like to crazy overline them because I just want them to look natural. But just a little something to fill them in and make them not look so sparse. And then I go back in with a spoolie brush and just make sure that it all blends in. I don't know why I even have this mirror here because I'm just using my viewfinder. So now that I finished everything on my face, I can move on to my eyes. And usually on a like spring summer day, I don't like to wear that much eyeshadow. If it's hot and you're sweating, it's just not a good combo. So what I like to use is this Glossier Lid Star in the shade Cub. And it's just this pink shimmery color and it's so pretty. And it just looks really nice. So what I like to do is just dab some there. And then again, my ring finger, which is like my main makeup tool, I just dab it out a little bit. Sometimes I want to put a little more. And I find that this just gives a really nice shimmery light look, nothing too crazy for spring and summer. And the pink tint is just really pretty. I'm gonna go in on the other eye. And then I'm not big into wearing eyeliner right now, but I have been lining my eyes with some shadow. So I'm using, again, my Jaclyn Hill palette. This black color down here called Abyss. And then I think this is a lining brush. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's just thin and like perfect for just literally stamping. I'll show you when I still have stuff on there. That's what she does in her videos, so she just stamps it along her eyeline. So that's what I'm gonna do. I really love this technique. It's so much easier and quicker than like liquid eyeliner, but it gives the same effect, and I find that it lasts longer. Since it's not liquid, it's a lot easier to work with. Like if you mess up, it's not so obvious. And then the very last thing that I do is curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. So I take this eyelash curler, and I don't know where I learned this from, but I've been doing it forever. And you just squeeze and then you lift it up and look like a crazy person for like 15 seconds. So I'm just taking this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. It's my favorite one. I'm just putting a little bit. And then I put a little bit on the bottom as well. The final step in my everyday spring and summer makeup routine is this Morphe setting spray. This stuff is a godsend. My friend Brittany gave it to me for Christmas, and I didn't even know that I wanted it, but now that I have it, I know that I wanted it. She actually has a YouTube channel too. Her name is Brittany Nick. I'll make sure to link her channel. But yeah, so you just hold this out, and I already did it, but hold it out like 8 or 10 inches from your face and just spray it. Close your eyes. Let it feel good, and then just let it dry for a minute or two. If it looks dewy for a bit, that might happen, but then it will dry and it will set your makeup, and it works so well. I love it. So this has been my everyday spring and summer makeup routine. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.